I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, gentle folk. Is it morning? Is it morning? It's actually afternoon, but we're going to do Shelmas intro because I did tell you guys in a couple vlogs ago, or maybe the last one, I don't really remember. I don't really remember. I was doing 12 days of Shelmas, so no, I wasn't going to do the traditional 25 days of content because I just can't. I just cannot do it. This year I decided that I wanted an actual real life intro, you know, not the ones that I typically stop saying that, typically make for people with their pictures and stuff. Like, want to go out and film and have a nice little montage or whatever. So I had to come up with a concept because I didn't just want random clips of me in Christmas clothes or around a Christmas tree or anything like that. So I had asked one of my friends to help me with it, but his schedule way too busy, and if I wait for him I might not get it done, so I'm just have to go do it myself. The thing is, I wanted a better camera quality than this one, but I didn't want it to look like a movie. But we're gonna just have to do what we gotta do. We can't still away from that because it's not a sure thing. So I'm gonna just use what I have. If I can do it myself, I'm gonna do it myself. Did ask Nathan if he could help me, but you know, he's the one who helps Chad with his videos. And yeah, I'm not gonna try to stress him out. I'm already under a lot right now with doing Chad's VLOGMAS, which is 25 full days. I don't even know if them are go to the 31 days. So I just decided to say, all right, I'll do this myself. I'll do this myself. I literally have a concept right here. I literally have everything like written down. So I had things I need, which is a red dress, decorative pillow, Christmas tree, a Merry Christmas plate, a board that says Happy Shelmas, a cute Christmas cup, marshmallows plus hot chocolate, a Merry Christmas sign, a black rug, and oh yeah, the board that I wanted to say Happy Shelmas, I wanted to actually put a picture. Why did I write this? Print a pic with Happy Shelmas. Anyways, I don't know why it's that, but yeah. So initially, what I wanted was like somebody is gonna knock on my door. So me in my room, in my bed, my room look messy and whatever. Somebody's gonna knock on my door and I'm gonna be like, go away, while I'm all huddled up under the sheet. And then they're gonna come inside anyways and then realize that I'm really not in the Christmas spirit or anything. And then they're like, no man, you need to get into the Christmas spirit. Be like, you really need to get in the Christmas spirit. And then they throw something at me. And then I be sleeping. And then when I wake up, I realize I'm in Christmas clothes and may I decorate my tree, and may I wrap presents for get on the Christmas tree, etc, etc, etc. I even bought the whole Christmas tree and everything. Y'all will see that in another vlog. And then after that, let me see. I was going to transition into me getting dressed up. So I have this cute red dress, like I may go on Christmas dinner or something, and I was either gonna go over to La Shushan because I have some really pretty lights at night wrapped around the trees and stuff, or one of them fontanas somewhere with a nice Christmas tree and some really cute lights. So I was gonna say, I have here, I look dusty, and then transition to me looking cute, then I'm out the door. Then it shows where I'm outside in my cute dress, the Christmas lights, etc, coming out of my boyfriend's car. Then I go back home and see Merry Christmas on my door, because initially when the person knocks on my door, it's just plain, but then when I get back home, the Merry Christmas sign is on it, so you realize, say, yeah, girl, another Christmas spirit now. And I never really think this concept through. And I go inside and see a Christmas tree and decor in my room. Oh, I think I probably had, it's probably like the same concept, but I kind of envision it two different ways. Oh, that's why I'm confused. I wrote this a couple days ago. Magically transition into PJs and have my hot chocolates and marshmallows. Then I open my Christmas gift, which will be the sign that says Happy Shelmas. Oh yeah. But that is what I wrote. But I'm not gonna do that. well, I don't think I'm going to do that last part with the me getting all dressed up and stuff like that. I just feel like the concept is a little bit long, and I don't like my intros long. I like it get to the point. So we might cut out the last part there and just do. But no. We'll see how it goes. But I'm saying what I was to say. That was the initial plan. I was scrolling on Instagram, and there's this place that is like a studio setup where they decorate it and people can come in and take their own selfies or have pictures professionally taken there. They said by December 4th or something like that, they're going to, because they renovate it after a certain period, so it's not the same studio setup when you go there. I think they change it like every month. So December 4th, they changed it to a Christmas room, whatever. I saw a little snippet of it, so when we go in person, I just hope, you know, really, because I decided that my room, in order for my room to give that effect that I want, I'd have to decorate the entire room. And honestly, not too much money spending. I already spend enough on the damn tree and ornaments and reality, and these were on sale. As we said when we said that in a different video, but yeah, I'm gonna go to that place and have somebody come with me and film it for me, because I didn't want to put it on a tripod because I want movement in the video. I don't want stagnant shots. So I don't really know exactly when I'm gonna get, but that's the plan. So I'm probably going tomorrow or the next day. I have to actually book it online, book the time that I want to use it for. If I'm not about to go there, or I'm gonna want to wait too late, and then when I go I can't get it. So 7 minutes of chatting. Y'all get the gist. So yeah, I guess I will see you guys when I'm going there and actually have it all figured out, because it's still kind of no. So I am on my way to do my Shelmas intro. It's at a place in Half a Tree. So initially I wanted it to be in my room, but I think I'll explain that to you guys at another time. I'm in Half a Tree now. I have to book the place. Well, I booked it for 4 o'clock and it's now 3:22. But I just want to be early because I can't take the stress. I can't. Me a vlog and the girl play music and no me get copyrighted. I'm sorry. Yeah, me. She don't want me to get little work. She don't want me to get no money. They can. They can. So anyways, but don't say so because she want to play. I can eat that music.
Hey! Don't get corrupt with them. Cut the cameras.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass. Alright. Hello, my assistant for the day. So that's where we're going. Oh, this one. God, I'm tired. This one. So pretty. So everybody just go see me. Well, that's where we're going. I'm early though. No, in there. It's small.
I am official Zico. You can follow me on YouTube and on Instagram.
Okay, period.
Yeah.
Anywho, I'm going to change my clothes. You coming or staying? You coming or staying? Okay. Wink. Watch out. You see that too? VIP. Dumb.
Mom, make sure you say.
Which one was put that one there?
You that man.
Remember I don't show my foot? What?
It's Christmas flag.
So what is that? Yeah, go say. Yeah, go say. Need to be in the Christmas spirit. Maybe it.
You want to say in Jamaican or?
Yeah, them not gonna hear me.
Oh, alright, go on. You need again the Christmas spirit.
Alright.
Christmas break.
No.
You want to see it look?
Yeah. No, but just want to see the angle.
Oh, my legs are not as good as one side, but that's okay though.
Alright, like here.
Just so you want to see?
Yeah. You can also hold it, you know, if it's too low.
No, you know, I'm not just the vision.
Alright.
You need to get in the Christmas spirit.
Stop. Sleep. Get up. Take a it's like Christmas.
No. Give me time to wait till the face relax. Sleep.
Alright.
You need to get in the Christmas spirit. Sorry, I'm not saying that. Okay, go. You need to get in the Christmas spirit.
Oh, I'm gonna fit
How was it? Christmas spirit. Reported live. We have a wild reindeer running about. Go on, okay? Yeah. What's up the gift now? Yes, nice. The other gifts. Yay! Oh my god, so many gifts. Yeah. Be immediate. You can crop it? Yeah. Alright. Put it back in the hand. Good. Yay, gifts! Oh my god, Christmas! Yay, gifts! Oh my gosh, so many gifts. Wow, yay! Alright. Come here. Wait.
Ready?
Go on. Oh my gosh, yay!
Can't speed up that. Yeah, baby.
Damn idiot.
Alright.
What are we doing next? Lie down.
Take a one picture.
Crop the leg on the couch, the couch, and the couch. Not about the couch in Amios. Yeah, very.
And that's a wrap. Thank you to my lovely assistant here today. So looking at camera, you good?
Hey everyone.
So, that's it. Hope this vlogmas thing work out. Hope it works out well because here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. Bye. All right. No.
Some girl, she a choke.
What? Yo, Mark, my dad with a motive. Take you out. Anywho, I am going to purse.
Oh, yeah, Tracy. Rewind.
I'm going to post my first vlogmas video today. I think in the beginning I told you guys that I was only going to do the first part of that concept. I stuck with that because after I do it I realized say the last part I did want to do, it would have been way too long. I think the intro is probably like 20 seconds or something like that. I don't like intro past more than 10 seconds. That's just me personally. But I did it to one of my songs. So someone made a song for me. I hear it already, but I probably put it in 1 or 2 vlogs in the beginning. It's a custom made song. It's not a Christmas song. I wanted to use a Christmas song, but may I say, everybody either use them song, and there's not a lot of songs that are non-copyright that I could use, or we can't find them. So I decided that I was just gonna use one of my custom ones. So that's what I did. I already edited the intro. I couldn't bother showing you the process of doing that because y'all already going to see it in the behind the scenes, which is before this clip, obviously. So yeah, I hope I can really go through with these 12 days, cause may I try. I already have some pre-recorded already. I just need to put the intro in them and then, you know, go and film some more this week and see how it go. So with that being said, are you guys ready to see the intro? Stop, go in the comments and say I am ready to see the intro. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Every time you come around, they get salty. Cause you got your back up, pretty mommy. Waste man type shit, you don't need that. Independent girl, best believe that. And I am Shelby.
Did you like it? I like it. I think it was really cute. Initially, remember I was saying that I wanted, you know, to knock on the door and say, give me Christmas spirit, blah, blah, blah. Couldn't bother that. It was too long. I meant for me to say every time when I watch a video, that would be in it. And me personally would have skip it out. Me personally, I want to hear as soon as I open the video, go away. Just get to the point. Get to the point. Get it over with. Start the video. Get the ball rolling. Let's get it cracking. Is it messy? So yeah, I hope you liked it. Big up lean at nice. Woo! Big up for the assist. Big up Pink Fox Official for the song. Big up me and my good money we pay for the camera. But also big up Uno, because you see, if it wasn't for y'all and watching my videos and supporting me and all that stuff, me wouldn't get the money for buy this camera. So I have to thank you. I don't think I've ever truly shown gratitude. Like, I always tell the thanks and I always say, you know, if I never put no rate it, but I don't think I officially did it, you know. So I really appreciate it, and I couldn't do it without y'all, you know. With that being said, I think this is it for this video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Tell them bye.